India is finally moving beyond assembling helicopter engines to developing one of its own. HAL and French aerospace major Safran helicopter engines have signed the final contract for the Aravali, a 3,500 to 4,000 shaft horsepower turboshaft engine for India's next generation military helicopters. But you know what? Don't expect these helicopters to enter service anytime soon. The engine's design and development is targeted for 2032-33, and the IMRH and its naval version still need formal government acquisition clearances. And now, of course, for the deal and why this matters. The Aravali will power HAL's proposed 13-ton Indian multi-role helicopter, or IMRH, and its 12.5-ton naval counterpart, the DBMRH. Now, the program is being developed through SAF HAL helicopter engines, the 50-50 HAL Safran joint venture, and it covers design, development, manufacturing, supply, and of course, life cycle support, which I believe is crucial. Now, that distinction, as I mentioned, is definitely very important for us to highlight, because this is a move from licensed production to joint development, meaning Indian engineers are involved in the design process rather than, well, simply manufacturing someone else's engine under license. And here's, of course, now for the part that matters the most. HAL will gain access to core engine technologies, including the high pressure compressor and power turbine, as well as fuel and oil systems, accessory gearbox, and external engine systems. That's quite a list. Now, HAL will also gain expertise and intellectual property in the areas of engine design undertaken by it, with Indian engineers working alongside Safran's teams throughout the development process. Now, that is arguably, I believe, the biggest strategic payoff till now. Because knowing how to manufacture an engine is definitely one thing, an important cog in the wheel. But having the design knowledge and IP to develop the next engine is something else entirely. The Aravali program is not an imminent deployment. HAL officials expect design and developments to be completed only by 2032-33. And there's, of course, another hurdle, which is this. The IMRH and the DBMRH themselves still require Defence Acquisition Council and Cabinet Committee on Security clearances before those platforms move ahead. So, well, we feel at Front Page, this is fundamentally a decade-long technology investment, not so much a near-term fleet upgrade. The program could create capabilities across the aerospace supply chain itself, which is including this: precision machining, casting, raw materials, and indigenous MRO. And the knowledge gained through Aravali could definitely become a foundation for future Indian aero engine programs. That's why actually the engine may ultimately matter more than the helicopter it powers. Probably it is going to power the engine as far as India moving forward in its defense capabilities is concerned. But then here is, of course, the Front Page take. Now, before we go into the details of that, have you heard of IBM Bob? If you haven't heard or seen IBM Bob, you can see him on your screen right now. Say hello. Well, meet IBM Bob. He is, of course, our AI coding buddy that turns big ideas into working solutions a lot quicker. Code, create, and ship with, guess who? None other than Bob himself, because building should be more than just a vibe. And now, of course, back to the story. The headline is definitely a new helicopter engine. But the real story is India buying into engine know-how, which I believe goes way deeper. If HAL genuinely absorbs the design expertise and IP around critical components, like, for example, the compressor and power turbine, Aravali could become a stepping stone to future indigenous propulsion programs. But for sure, it will take years. India isn't buying a shortcut, it's building capability the hard way, which is the right way, which then brings me to this particular question. Can Aravali become the foundation for India's next generation of aero engines? Please do let us know about this wonderful development in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.